Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Black color, pentagon. Circle, heart, arrow, triangle, square. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, brown color, orange color, red color, yellow color, forest green color. Let's paint with two colors. Orange color, pentagon. Sky blue color, pentagon. Sky blue color, circle. Pink color, heart. Yellow color, arrow. Blue color, triangle. Light green color, square. Forest green color, pentagon. Circle, heart, arrow, triangle, square. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.